Wall panel installation. Level solid wall scenario. Begin by checking the brick wall with a straight edge level. If the wall is flat and level, adhesive can be applied with a notched trowel directly onto the solid wall. Apply Stile Flex sealant to the recessed, routed edge at the perimeter floor and wall junction. In this scenario, we are using a 24 by 900 by 8 mm thick wall panel. Since the panels will have full adhesive coverage on the solid wall, the 8 mm thickness is sufficient, though a thicker panel can be chosen if preferred. Measure and mark for any pipe penetrations, and cut them out using a hole saw of the appropriate size. Mark and cut the bottom of the panel, including the slot for the water stop angle, using a Stanley knife. Begin installing the wall panels. Apply Stile Flex sealant to all adjoining edges where panels meet, focusing on critical waterproof areas, such as the shower, vanity, and skirting. Check the levels of the panels and adjust if necessary. Apply Stile Flex sealant around all pipe penetrations. And clean off excess sealant with a plastic flat scraper. Uneven solid wall scenario. Check the brick wall with a straight edge level. If the wall is uneven or not level, adhesive should be applied using a spot fixing method and dabbing it onto the wall. Apply Stile Flex sealant to the recessed, routed edge at the perimeter floor and wall junction, and to all adjoining edges at critical waterproof areas. In this scenario, we are using a 2400 by 900 by 12.5 mm thick wall panel. When spot fixing, panels of 12.5 mm thickness or greater are recommended for added rigidity. Panels can be applied horizontally or vertically. In this case, we are applying them vertically for optimal layout. Pre-drill holes using a masonry drill at 600 mm intervals to install mechanical fixing anchors with a hammer. This provides additional secure fixing to the solid wall. Use a straight edge level to check and adjust the wall panels before the adhesive sets. Clean off any excess sealant. Framed walls, 450 mm stud centers with a niche. Before installing wall panels, prepare the niche box. Measure and mark the desired niche box size. Transfer the dimensions to the stud frame and cut the timber accordingly. Install top and bottom nogging for secure support. In this scenario, we are using a 900 by 350 niche box. Attach the niche box to the stud frame with the Stile Flex sealant. Apply Stile Flex sealant to the recessed, routed edge at the perimeter floor and wall junction. Install the wall panels with 450 mm stud centers. A 2400 by 900 by 12.5 mm panel is used, as 12.5 mm is the minimum thickness for this configuration. Measure and cut for any pipe penetrations using a hole saw. Apply Stile Flex sealant to adjoining edges in critical waterproof areas, such as the shower and skirting. Fix panels to the frame using washers and screws at 300 mm intervals along the studs. Clean off any excess sealant. Framed walls, 600 mm stud centers. Apply Stile Flex sealant to the recessed, routed edge at the perimeter floor and wall junction. For 600 mm stud centers, use a 2400 by 1200 by 15.5 mm wall panel, as 15.5 mm is the minimum thickness for this configuration. Apply Stile Flex sealant to all adjoining edges in critical waterproof areas, such as skirtings. Cut for any pipe penetrations using a hole saw. Fix panels to the frame using washers and screws at 300 mm intervals along the studs. Clean off any excess sealant.